have a great DIY opportunity for y'all with the one and only Vevor hat printing machine. Right here, if you come over to the Galleria, we have the printing machine where you can pick which sticker you want, and we have a sort of all kinds of stickers you can choose from. And right here, you'll put it on your hat, we'll print it out for you, and you'll get to take the hat.
Hey guys, I'm Alex, and I'm going to walk you through how to play our game. So we have a bunch of tools, and you're going to Scrabble to find where each tool goes in under 30 seconds. And if you win,